All right, so let's knock out this last application problem situation. So example 3. All right, and you'll notice these are going to be in standard form because Sean won an $18 gift card. He must spend more. He must spend more than, okay, so we see a key phrase there, more than the value of the gift card when he redeems it. All right, burritos cost $6 a piece and tacos cost $2 a piece. Write an inequality that describes this situation. So, first off, we want to define our variables. We've got burritos and tacos. So B is going to represent the number of burritos Sean gets, and T is going to represent the number of tacos Sean gets. All right, so if burritos cost $6 a piece and he gets B amount of burritos, he's going to be spending 6 times B. That's going to represent the amount spent on burritos. This is the amount spent on burritos. Okay, plus tacos, which are $2 a piece. So that's going to be 2T. This is going to represent the amount Sean spent on tacos. So if I take those two amounts and I add them together, it must be more than the value of the gift card. And the gift card or the gift certificate is $18. So this is what this inequality is going to look like. 6b plus 2t must be greater than 18. So you see that standard form because we got two different variables there, burritos and tacos. Okay, let's go on to our last problem. Jeannie is going shopping for school supplies. Pencils are $4 and binders are $3.50, and her budget is $25. Okay, so if you have a budget, that means that's something you can't go over. So her budget, if you see something like a budget, the amount that she spends must be less than or equal to that amount. All right, so if we've got two variables here, P and B. P is going to represent the number of pencils she buys. And B is going to represent the number of binders she buys. Okay, so pencils are $4 each. So the amount that she spends on pencils is going to look like 4P. Binders are $3.50 each. So the amount that she's going to spend on binders is 3.50B. So then I've got 4 times P and 350 times B. Each represents the amount that they're spending either on pencils or binders. And so if I take those two amounts and I add them together, that must be less than or equal to her budget, which is 25. All right, so here's what the inequality is. And now I'm going to use that inequality for part B. Can Jeannie afford 4 binders and 3 pencils? So let's plug some stuff in. So 4 times P, we know that she's spending 3 pencils, or she's buying 3 pencils. So 4 times 3. And then plus 350. How many binders does she want to get? She wants to get 4 binders. Is this less than or equal to 25? So if I simplify the left-hand side, 4 times 3 is 12. 3.5 times 4, just plugging into my calculator, I get 26 is less than or equal to 25. Is that true? Is 26 less than or equal to 25? No, that's not true. So Jeannie cannot afford to buy 4 binders and 3 pencils with her budget. So after you write an inequality, sometimes you might want to use that inequality to test if a certain situation is possible. Okay? But that is some application problems in standard form. Very common to see those on like a quiz or a test, so make sure you understand those. Instead of an equal sign, you're just looking for that key phrase to determine what type of inequality symbol you're going to be using. All right, so you got 3 you try nows here. Go ahead and work on those. We'll go over those in class. Other than that, have a good one. Please let me know if you have any questions. Stay safe.